The Jordan 4 metallic purple is definitely a high quality shoe. By the only imperfection I see on the shoe would be right here on the Jordan sign in the back. See, that's really nothing. I think that's a little bit of glue. I don't know. I'm personally not gonna fool with it. I'm gonna let the owner fool with it. I picked these up at the local shoe palace. They had these in stock. They're also doing raffles for all the past releases. So the Court Purples, the Royal Toes, and the Flints. They got raffles for those going on. The stitching on the shoe is great. And this is where they ended at. That's the typical. But the rest of the shoe, man, like, come on. This is heat. This is definitely heat. The leather quality is beautiful. The tumble leather all around is on point. This is if you like that soft, supple leather, you'll enjoy this. Oh man, giant moth in the house. But this right here is a cop if you need a fresh summer shoe, something clean, white, basic. But also, you really want to show off, your personal love for the color purple. The metallic reds are personally something I want to get for myself. But these aren't doing too much on the resale market. $230, $235 for most sizes. I think I'm gonna try to work on getting some base sizes at the local shoe palace. Oh.